Okay? Now, from here, so again, we call this not the Sphinx, we call it Heru, Bendet. Then we take the left hand forward, the right hand forward, we breathe in, and then we exhale. Inhale up, exhale, arch. Now, while we're holding this position, we want to lock the strength into the arms, the chest, and the shoulders, and the back. We want to use this position as an opportunity to breathe deep. So as we hold this position, we breathe in, we breathe out, and we breathe in, and we breathe out, and we hold the position, and then we fold our toes underneath the feet. We lift the knees up, push the hips up, left foot goes forward, right foot goes forward, and when we push backward, we try to get the heels to the mat, to the floor. We lengthen the arms, we lengthen the spine, we lengthen the legs. And then from here, we breathe in, we come up to the balls of the feet. As we exhale, we lower the knees down. We bring the head up, we point the toes, we breathe in, and we slowly exhale, and we relax into the position that we call Mesu Heru. And we breathe in and we breathe out. And then we rise up onto the hands and knees, and we're preparing to go into our lunge on the right side, which would be our final part of the Sun Salutation. So we take the left foot and we bring it forward. We bend the toes of the right foot and we lift up. So again, when we lift up onto the ball of the foot, we are increasing the arch in the bottom of the back foot, which is your right foot. We're strengthening the thighs of the left leg. We breathe in. As we exhale, we lower the right knee down gently. We lift the right foot, we point it, we place the instep down. Now we're going to go into kneeling tekken, which is our attempt to find balance, to go into the balance centers of the brain, to find balance and coordination. So as we breathe in, we're rising up. As we exhale, we bring hands together. We inhale, we bring the left hand behind the right, and we slowly breathe out, feeling the energy moving and flowing as the hands come to the knee. Keep your back straight, breathe in. As you exhale, we're opening up this whole area here. The thigh, the hip, the pelvis. We're opening up all of these blood vessels, all of these different nerve endings, all of these muscles, the psoas muscle, spelled Psoas, psoas. Now breathe in, push against your knee as you exhale, and open up and go deeper into the psoas muscle. Relax as you exhale. Let your head come up, your chest comes down, separate your hands and ease your hands down, and then bring your left foot back and breathe in. And now we reward ourselves with Mesu Heru, with the child pose. We relax and we breathe. We inhale and we exhale. Inhale and exhale and release. And as we hold this position, we want to breathe, and we want to feel how much more deeper the breath has become.